Ang lupit ng mundo. Ang lupit ng mundo kapag hindi ka pasok sa standards of beauty or sa standards na pasok sa ano ng mga tao. And I'm not just talking about people. I'm talking about dogs. Okay, I have a special place in my heart when it comes to Aspins kasi. Kasi actually marami akong ang isa sa advocacy ko is matulungan yung mga Aspins. Yung kaya tumutulong ako 'pag, for example, yung sa food, 'pag may nakita akong mga Aspin na pagala-gala sa daan, okey, na tinutulungan ko sila. Meron akong ready na dog food or pagkain na maibibigay sa kanila. Parang alam ko na yung rota nila, ganyan. Kasi naghahanap sila ng food. Nakakalungkot lang makita na yung mga tao, wala naman silang ginagawa, gusto lang nilang kumain is binabato sila. Imagine niyo yun? Bakit? Dahil wala silang breed? Dahil hindi sila pasok sa panlasa mo bilang isang tao, is babatuhin mo yung aspin, 'di ba? Nakita ko kasi 'yan kani-kanina lang, okey. Kaya medyo nakakalungkot, okey. Kasi aspins are also dogs. Okay, it's just that I observe they are treated differently in a country who claims to love dogs. Kasi the Philippines claims to love dogs, 'di ba? Eto daw yung country na dog lover daw. Okay. Pero pagtingin mo naman, pagtingin sa Aspins, grabe ang treatment. Okay. Ganon din sa tao. This is a country na ayaw nilang nalalait sila physically, pero mahilig manlait ng ibang tao. Okay, for example, kanina may na dumaan si Talakwit Jack ba yun? Basta lagi ko siyang naano eh, yung si Jacqueline ba yun or something. Sabi niya, pag Pilipino daw na meet mo sa Europe tapos naka-bikini ka, eh alam nilang Pinoy ka, tapos medyo plus size ka or maitim kilikili mo or maitim singit mo, pinupuna ka. Pinupuna ka to the point na or pinagtatawanan ka pa, okay? Pero samantalang yung mga Europeans daw, wala daw silang pakialam sa'yo. Kasi everybody is living their life, especially sa Europe. I can attest to that. Nung sabi niya na Europeans don't care kung maitim ang kilikili mo, maitim ang singit mo, or malaki ang hita mo. Kasi they are busy living their life. Sa Philippines kasi lahat pupunahin. Okay? So, yun lang. 'Di ba ang lupit ng mundo, yung standards of beauty na merong standards of beauty sa tao, may standards of beauty pa sa aso. Okay. So, make sure naman na bago kayo manlait is naabot nyo man lang kahit kalahati nung standards of beauty na sinet ninyo. Okay? Kasi pag nag-set kayo ng standards of beauty sa aso at tao, pero ikaw mismo, hindi ka naman pasok sa standards, di ba? Di ba parang ang pangit? Di ba ang I cannot. Nung nakikinig ako kanina ng mga French beauty tips, yung mga French people, mahilig silang gumamit ng mga beauty products na nahahanap sa kusina nila. Okay, yung mga beauty products na ginagamit nila, minsan nahahanap nila sa kusina nila or sa garden nila. Like for example, yung rose water. So nalaman ko kanina, may mga French women, ayaw nila ng tap water. So nagbo-boil sila ng rose water. Basta yung rose ibo-boil nila tapos gagawin nilang tapos yun ang ipanghihilamos nila. Tapos mahilig din sila sa mga castor oil. Okay, castor oil is also very popular especially sa hair, pampakapal ng kilay, ng lashes. Okay. And also yung mga pang-exfoliate nila is galing din sa kitchen like sugar. Okay? So, para-paraan na 'yan kung paano kayo gaganda. Tignan-tignan niyo na lang yung kusina ninyo tapos i-research ninyo. Kasi gano'n din naman sa Russians, you know. So, for French women din kasi, they invest in their style. I think they invest in maganda yung fashion nila 'no, very minimalist, very classy, very yung yung it's not my thing, but yeah, very classy. Parang they're more on minimal makeup, pero yung mga clothes nila well polished. Tapos parang old money style, ganyan. Ganyan ang datingan. Kaya hindi ka magtataka na France is like the center of fashion. Because French women really embody that kind of thing. See? So I told you guys na marami kayong matututunan sa bawat nationality. Pretty privilege is real, but a lot of pretty girls stop developing themselves. And so, lagi silang nauusadan ng hindi ganun ka-pretty. Okay. It's always best to invest in a holistic kind of development. Okay. Kumbaga, improve mo yung looks mo, improve mo rin yung utak mo, yung career mo. You also need to develop your mind, your financial aspects. Because a lot of women who are pretty, they just are stuck. Okay. Eto guys kahit na maabot mo pa yung 10 out of 10 kind of pretty, there will always be a prettier girl because there will always be a younger girl. There will always be someone who's going to surpass your kind of beauty. So the people who are usually on a level of success na top level 10% are a combination of many things. Pretty, they're successful financially, they also are intelligent and educated, and it takes a lot of work to get to that place. Okay. Nire-remind ko lang yan kasi hindi porket nagre-review ako ng glutathione, collagen, and mga beauty products is I encourage women to be superficial. Okay. I don't encourage women to be superficial. Okay. I always believe that intelligence is very important as well, and beauty is also very important. Okay. So you have to combine the two. So, and also working on your career is important. So that's a friendly reminder to you guys this Sunday kasi bukas day off ko guys. So I'll just schedule content for tomorrow since I'm very busy for tomorrow. Also, I need to take care of myself and my mental health. Okay. So yun lang, sana may natutunan. A glow up can be a very lonely process. Okay. It's the same thing as growth, especially yung mga naka-achieve ng financial freedom. Like sila Sir Apollo, sabi niya, yung journey niya napaka-lonely. Kasi talagang mag-isa mo lang naman eh. Mag-isa mo lang talaga, you can have your family and your friends, but they will not be there for you 24/7. Okay, you will be doing the work. The work is on you kasi pangarap mo 'yan eh. Gusto mong mag-glow up yung mukha mo, gusto mong mag-glow up yung buhay mo, yung bank account mo, and it's a very lonely process. It's a very grueling process. It's not an easy process. See, yung process of growth is not a process na para sa mga tao na takot mag-isa. Okay. Kasi pag wala yung boyfriend mo, wala yung girlfriend mo, wala yung family mo, mag-isa mo lang naman talaga gagawa lahat yan eh. Even with a support system, the person who will do the glow up is gonna be you. It's not other people. And many people, they give up or they don't have any results kasi mahaba talaga yung process. Sabi nga ni Sir Jay is, there is no overnight success. Okay. The same thing sa pag-affiliate. Honestly, ang dami nang gumive up 2 months pa lang gumive up na sila or 3 months pa lang gumive up na sila. Kasi akala nila 7 digits na wala kang kahirap-hirap, hindi ka naman sikat, tapos nakaka 7 digits ka. Tapos gusto mo, ano lang, yung tipo ng video na wala lang, ganyan. Okay. So, it's the same thing with a glow up. Okay, wag niyong expect na especially for very affordable products na pagagandahin kayo niyan overnight. Wala kasing product na gano'n. Sabi nga nung nabasa ko is hindi kami nagbebenta ng himala. Hindi kami nagbebenta ng himala. Ang binebenta namin beauty products. Okay, marami kasing factors ang beauty like stress, genetics. Genetics is the number one ha. Genetics is the number one actually. Kasi yung genes mo, hindi mo mapapalitan yan. Okay. So, hindi mo kahit nga nagparitoke ka ng nagparitoke, minsan bumabalik pa yung dati mong mukha. Kasi I saw that sa mga, may mga nakita ako nagparitoke na sikat. Tapos, bumabalik sila sa dati nila. Kasi hindi naman nila natural yung ilong na yon or yung ano na yon. So, kailangan nilang ulit-ulitin yung procedures because it's not their natural state, di ba? So, ganun din yon. So, you also need patience, by the way. So, I hope you learned something and happy Sunday. Bye! Ang December kasi is the Christmas season, yes, and it's also the reunion season, and it is also the laitan season. Oo. Yan na yung makikita mo yung mga dati mong classmates na, "Ay, kamusta ka na?" Or yung mga ayaw mong makita minsan, or yung mga relatives mo na, magkikita-kita kayo once a year, ganyan. Tapos, "Uy, kamusta ka na? Ba't hindi ka pa naglo-glow? Ba't mataba ka pa rin?" Yung mga gano'n na comments. So, it's the laitan season. It's a season of giving and it's also the season of basta, yung season na ang tawag dito, maraming masasabi ang mga tao 'pag hindi ka fit sa kanilang beauty standards, 'no. So, for me kasi, preparation is the key always, okay? Sabi nga nila is, "Victory comes to the prepared." So, yun lang. So, prepare niyo na yung mag-prepare na kayo para sa mga reunion or events ninyo. For example, like ako 'no, naisip ko kasi, what if may event na biglaan? Okay, or um, may date ako na biglaan. Meron na akong dress para diyan. Kumbaga nabili ko na yung dress ko para diyan. Kasi ayoko yung bigla-bigla akong naghahanap ng damit or ng gown na alam mo yun, yung biglaan. Ang hirap nun, yung maghahanap ka saan ka o-order ng gown, ng ano, 'di ba? So, dapat meron kang mga pieces of clothing or makeup na naka-ready na para just in case you need it, okay, nandun na siya, see? So, yun lang. Sinabi ko din yan sa kabilang podcast. Pero sana may natutunan kayo. Kung meron kayong mga pinaghahandaang event, especially for December 'no, dapat months ahead the event, prepared ka na, okey. Ako gano'n ako mag-isip, okey, na kapag dapat nagsisimula ka ng mag-diet, dapat yung skincare mo talagang inaayos mo na, okey. Kasi ang December, ano 'yan, eh, maraming parties, 'di ba, maraming, events, mga gano'n, okey. Although ako kasi work from home ako, so wala namang masyadong events, okey, unless, TikTok, Philippines or yung mga brands na nag-invite, dun lang ako makaka-attend ng events kasi nga eto na rin ang isa sa mga negosyo ko, okey? Or yun na, kumbaga ito na yung circle ng events na dadaluhan ko, wala na ako sa corporate matagal na. So, dapat months ahead the event, naghahanda na kayo, okey? So, especially when you're taking supplements for that glow, hindi niyo kasi makikita kaagad yung results. So, you have to take it at least 3 months or 4 months ahead, especially 'pag affordable. Kasi mas mabagal yung effect. Another thing would be of course losing weight 'no, yung exercise. Ang exercise tsaka diet kasi hindi ka kaagad maglo-lose ng weight. Sometimes it takes 3 months, okay, to see results and you have to continue it. It has to be part of your lifestyle. Okay, like ako, um nagpapaganda ako ng katawan. Kasi what if by next summer makita niyo ako nagfo-photoshoot ako sa may tabing dagat, ganyan. Or magbi-bikini naman tayo 'no? Bikini photoshoot naman. So, siyempre dapat yung mga singit-singit mo nagpapaputi ka ng mga anti ko, ganyan. 'Pag may lakad ka ng summer or January, Feb, or March, April, ganyan, dapat ngayon pa lang nagpapaputi ka na ng kilikili or ng singit. Kasi 'pag gagawin mo yun ng January, wala talagang ano, wala kasing instant results, okay. So, yun lang, sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, sana may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to follow.